Those cold winds out of the northwest continue for the next few days as we continue to track the potential system for the weekend. Again, most of that centered around Saturday. Most of the maps early this morning keep the heaviest of the snowfall to our south, but still could see a little bit of light snow or snow shower activity around on Saturday. We will be looking for the continued snow showers up north, totaling up to a few more inches in places up through Coos County and a couple of areas up through the White Mountains. This, of course, being wrung out by a northwesterly wind, which will have a few more gusts over 35 miles an hour through the afternoon. Temperatures teens north, 20 south, and more of the same with partial sunshine for the day tomorrow. The winds do come down greatly as we go into the day on Friday. A few gusts over 25 miles an hour into the afternoon. Look at your feels like readings, which will be sub-zero in a lot of cases going into the afternoon today. And more of the same with similar temperatures tomorrow. And again, those winds relaxing somewhat, a little bit of a break on Friday with partial sunshine, and then clouds will start to race in Friday night. You will notice temperatures start moderating after a couple of more days with temperatures in the 20s. Of course, as that wind relaxes, the flow out of Canada starts to let up a little bit, and it will leave us with a mixture of sunshine and clouds for the day on Friday. Friday evening, a system that is just starting to form now in the desert southwest will move across Texas on Thursday. Friday, clouds will start to increase later in the day, and we will have the potential of a little bit of light snow on Saturday. Highs today, teens north, lower 20s south. Of course, bear in mind with the wind, it isn't going to quite feel like that during the afternoon. Wind chills this morning below zero and in the single digits during the afternoon. And again, carbon copy for the day tomorrow before those winds come down some, although they will not be light. It will still be noticeable on Friday. The main push of the accumulating snow will be to our south on Saturday. However, we will have the potential of a little bit of light snow or flurry activity. And yes, there could be a spotty inch in places, but we're not expecting it to have a huge impact on travel if you're going to be doing so. Partial sunshine Sunday. Coldest of the air, as you saw, will eventually relent going forward, and that puts us back near the freezing mark heading into early next week.